Most people think AI lives inside giant data centers, hidden behind billions of dollars of infrastructure, owned by companies you'll never control. They think AI is just a chatbot on a screen. But that idea is already becoming obsolete. Because right now, a new kind of AI revolution is happening quietly at the edge. And at the center of it is this, the NVIDIA Jetson T4000, a machine small enough to fit in your hand, yet powerful enough to run massive AI models locally, power humanoid robots, and make real-world decisions in milliseconds. Without touching the cloud, this tiny board may completely change how AI works forever. And almost nobody is talking about it. For the last few years, AI has mostly existed in the digital world. You type text, the cloud responds. Simple. But the next generation of AI doesn't live inside websites. It lives in the physical world, inside robots, factories, cars, drones, hospitals. This is called physical AI, or embodied AI. And unlike traditional chatbots, physical AI has to understand reality itself. Distance, motion, gravity, objects, humans. A chatbot failing is annoying. A robot failing can be catastrophic. That means these machines need something the cloud cannot provide. Instant decision-making, no latency, no internet dependency, no waiting for server responses. And that's exactly why hardware like the Jetson T4000 suddenly matters. At first glance, the T4000 looks tiny. But internally, this thing is absurd. It's built on NVIDIA's brand new Blackwell architecture, the same AI architecture pushing the next wave of supercomputers. But the real breakthrough is something called FP4 Precision. Now this sounds technical, but it's actually revolutionary. Traditional AI models were massive because they relied on FP16 and FP8 precision. FP16 used 16-bit floating-point calculations. FP8 reduced memory usage slightly with 8-bit precision. But even those systems still required enormous amounts of compute and memory for large AI models. That meant giant server racks, massive cooling systems, huge power consumption, and ultimately, dependence on the cloud. Blackwell changes that. Its next-generation tensor cores introduce FP4 Precision, 4-bit floating-point processing, meaning AI models suddenly become dramatically smaller, dramatically faster, and dramatically more efficient. Models that once required entire data centers can now run locally on compact edge hardware. And the numbers behind this thing are insane. The Jetson T4000 delivers nearly 1,200 teraflops of AI compute. For perspective, that's multiple times more powerful than the previous Jetson generation, all while operating inside a tiny 70-watt power envelope. That's less power than many gaming laptops. Yet this machine can run advanced multimodal AI models completely locally. No cloud required. But this isn't just about running chatbots offline. The T4000 can process vision, language, audio, spatial reasoning, and robotic control, all simultaneously, meaning robots can literally see the world, understand commands, and take action in real time. Imagine telling a humanoid robot, "Go to the kitchen and bring me the red mug." To do that, the AI must understand what a mug is, what red means, where the kitchen is, how to navigate obstacles, how to move its arm, how to grab the object safely, and how not to smash it into the floor. That entire chain of reasoning now happens locally, inside a tiny machine sitting inside the robot itself. This is no longer science fiction. This is happening right now. And honestly, the hardware is only half the story, because NVIDIA also released JetPack 7.1. And this changes everything for developers. Using TensorRT Edge LLM, developers can now run massive 70 billion parameter models directly on the edge, not inside giant cloud clusters, not across expensive infrastructure, directly on device. That opens the door to an entirely new generation of AI systems. Private AI assistants, autonomous factories, smart robotics, medical systems, military systems, self-driving machines. And because everything happens locally, you also gain something incredibly important: privacy. Your data never leaves the machine. No cloud logging, No external processing. No internet dependency. Just raw local intelligence. Most people still think the future of AI is bigger data centers, bigger GPUs, bigger cloud subscriptions. But the real future might actually be distributed intelligence. Millions of machines, thinking independently, acting instantly, without depending on centralized cloud infrastructure. That changes robotics forever. It changes manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, defense, even consumer electronics. Because eventually, AI won't just live inside your phone. It'll live inside the machines around you. And the Jetson T4000 may become one of the most important computing platforms of this entire decade. We are still incredibly early, but the shift has already started. The cloud AI era created digital intelligence, but edge AI may create physical intelligence, machines that understand the real world and interact with it in real time. And this tiny board from NVIDIA might become the brain behind that entire future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more deep dives into AI hardware, robotics, and future technology. And I'll see you in the next one.